In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a newsletter signup in Squarespace. If you're looking to engage with your audience and keep them updated with your latest news, adding a newsletter signup form to your Squarespace site is a fantastic way to start. It's a simple and effective method to collect email addresses and build a community around your content. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open the Pages panel. This panel is your main hub for navigating through your website's structure. Once you're here, navigate to the specific page where you want your newsletter sign up to be. This could be your home page, a dedicated landing page, or anywhere you think is strategic for capturing visitor interest. Now that you've chosen the right page, click on Edit. This allows you to make changes and add new elements to your page. After clicking Edit, look for the option to Add Block. Squarespace uses blocks to add different types of content and features to your site, making it quite versatile. Once you click on Add Block, you'll be presented with several options. Select Newsletter from this list. The newsletter block is specifically designed for this purpose, so it's a perfect fit for what we're doing today. It's built to integrate smoothly with your website's design while providing a seamless experience for your visitors. After selecting the newsletter block, you have the flexibility to decide where you want this block to appear. The placement of your newsletter signup form is crucial for maximizing signups. You can easily drag and drop this block into your footer or a dedicated section of your homepage. Placing it in the footer is a subtle approach, ensuring it's present on every page without being intrusive. Alternatively, featuring it prominently on your homepage could help capture attention from the moment visitors land on your site. As you finalize the placement, consider the design and messaging of your newsletter block. Ensure that it aligns with your overall site aesthetic and clearly communicates what subscribers can expect from your newsletters. This clarity can significantly impact your sign-up rate, as visitors are more likely to subscribe if they understand the value they'll receive. And there you have it. You've successfully added a newsletter sign-up form to your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you're well on your way to building a robust email list and fostering a more engaged community. Remember, the key to a successful newsletter is consistency and providing valuable content to your subscribers. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Squarespace site. Happy building!